Look at these characters. Want to create a consistent face like this for different stories and content? I know it's something every artist dreams of, right? Today, we're going to explore an awesome AI tool called Leonardo AI that's going to change the game for you. Welcome back, everyone. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button because we're bringing you new AI tools and exploring them for the ease of our audience. So, stick around because in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how to create consistent characters with a free AI tool. Leonardo AI is a free tool that lets you create all sorts of art. And yes, it even helps with character consistency. Now, there are premium plans available, but don't worry, everything I'm about to show you can be done with the free version. First of all, search for Leonardo AI on Google and click on the first website. I've also dropped the link in the description below. When you open the website, you will see an impressive interface. To get started, you'll notice a big Launch App button right here. Go ahead and click that. When you click the button, you'll be directed to log in. You can sign in using Google, Apple, Microsoft, or just your email. It's super simple and quick. Once you're in, this is the dashboard you'll land on. The first thing you'll notice is the public feed right in the center. This feed is where you can check out what other users are creating. It's basically an endless stream of inspiration. If you're using the free version, this is where your own artwork will show up too. Here, you'll see a navigation bar at the top, which is where you'll access all the different tools we'll be using. The image generation tool is the one we'll focus on, but we'll get to that in just a moment. Before we jump into generating our consistent character, take a moment to look around. You've got tools for editing, image generation, and more. But don't get overwhelmed, we're starting with the basics to help you get comfortable. Ready to create? Let's move on to the next step, generating your first character. From the dashboard, go ahead and click on the Image Generation tab. This is where the magic happens. First of all, let's talk credits. As a free user, you get 150 credits every day, which reset every night. That's around 4,500 credits a month, plenty to experiment and create new art. Each image generation costs a few credits. On the left side, you will see all the setting options for your generation. Right here in the advanced settings, you'll find a section for selecting models. Leonardo AI offers various models to fit different styles, and you can choose the one that best suits your vision. We'll come back to that in a bit. Next, we have the presets. For now, we'll use the 3D render preset, but feel free to explore other options later. Once you've set the model and entered your prompt, simply hit the Generate button and watch Leonardo AI bring your idea to life. And there you go. The AI is processing your request, and in just a few seconds, you'll see your generated images pop up. Here, you'll witness some of Leonardo's best creations. Let's get into that next. Click on these three dots and look for the Copy Seed option. This seed is like a digital fingerprint of your character's design. By copying this seed, you can instruct the AI to stick to certain features whenever you generate new images. So, go ahead and click Copy Seed. Next, click on Advanced Settings on the left side. Here, you'll find an option labeled Fixed Seed. First, enable it, then paste the seed you copied into this box. Enabling Fixed Seed tells the AI to maintain specific characteristics, such as facial features, while allowing you to tweak other elements like the pose, background, or costume. Now, let's test this out. Try modifying the prompt a bit. A cute blonde-haired girl with bright blue eyes, wearing a light pink dress. Then hit Generate. Check it out. The core features of the character stay the same, but you've got some cool new variations. Keep in mind that with the free version, you're limited to 4 variations per generation. Now, let's try changing the prompt a bit again. For example, a cute blonde-haired girl with bright blue eyes, wearing a light pink dress, standing in a colorful garden filled with flowers under a sunny sky. Just add that detail to the prompt while keeping the main traits the same and hit Generate. Check this out. You'll notice the character's face and other key features remain the same thanks to the fixed seed we set earlier. But now, they've got a new outfit. This is how you can explore different styles or scenes without losing that consistent design. And that's it. You've got all the tools you need to test different prompts and generate your consistent characters. Now you can experiment with different prompts and really bring your character to life while keeping their core design intact. Hopefully, you're now ready to create your own consistent characters. So don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and let me know in the comments what kind of characters you're planning to create. See you in the next video.